Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty fish cutlets known as fish potatoes chopped in another name. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients: you will need 1 kg of boiled potatoes, 1 large onion, 1 lemon, 2 tins of tuna, breadcrumbs, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, curry powder, garam masala, 1 Maggi cube and some salt. In a pan or a pot, add the tuna. I use 2 tins of tuna. You can use the fresh one if you don't have the tin ones. And add 1 large sliced cube onion. Followed by extra spices: 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, 1 Maggi cube to add an extra taste to the fish. Then lastly, squeeze 1 lemon and mix everything well and nice and let the tuna cook till it's completely dry. Your tuna has to be dry like this, and your tuna is ready. Remove from the fire and let it cool down. In the boiled potatoes, add a handful chopped of coriander leaves and squeeze a half a lemon while the potatoes are still on fire so that the lemon blends in well, and mash the potatoes till they're super soft. Then you'll put the cooked tunas and the mashed potatoes in separate bowls, and you'll also need some breadcrumbs to shape the cutlets. Then it's high time to shape our cutlets. Take a bit of mashed potatoes, place on your hands, make a small hole and put the tuna in between and fold it into a round shape as you can see in the video. And continue with the remaining cutlets. And my cutlets are ready as you can see them. Sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top of the cutlets so that they can be firm. My fish potatoes chops are ready to be deep fried in the oil. Make sure the oil is so hot before deep frying them to avoid from bursting in the oil. Break some 2 eggs, dip the cutlets in the egg first and then deep fry them in the oil slowly by slowly. Separate the cutlets and let them cook on both sides to have a nice golden brown color. And once your cutlets have this amazing color, your cutlets are ready. Remove from the oil and place on a plate with a tissue so that the oil gets into the tissue. And my tasty fish cutlets are ready as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with tamarind sauce, ketchup, chutney or any sauce you prefer, and enjoy your fish cutlets. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes like this, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.